shocked. Why would you do this to me? I'm your brother. Half brother. Alright. Okay. Not too shabby. I think that's too smooth. That would not be as smooth. Let's try that again. Let's give those lines some life. Scribble, scribble, scribble. Scribble, scribble, scribble. Scribble, scribble. There we go. Coming out of the dark and into the light. This is the first time in a long time that the ear is going to be in the light. Usually I put ears in the dark. Okay. All right, let's take the pencil lines away and see what we got. Ah! Let's work on this foot. January 20th is when I'll be on Blessing Boat. If you don't know what Blessing Boat is, that's an opportunity for Christian streamers and family-friendly streamers to get themselves in front of other. Wait a minute, that doesn't work. So it's an opportunity for people to become known. Originally for people to reach affiliates, for people who had not been affiliated yet. It's going to be my first time on Blessing Boat. I've always wanted to be on Blessing Boat, but was not technologically able to do that because of their rules. So did not have the right specs, did not have the right system. So it's going to be January 20th. I may start streaming more often on Saturdays. More to come on that. I tried for a long time. I tried to do some Friday streams. That just did not work out with my schedule, my family, other obligations. Also, I'm tired. Tired on Friday nights. If you've tried to follow me, if I told you one schedule and I changed my schedule, I have changed my schedule multiple times. I'm sorry. I'm not trying to ditch you. I'm not trying to skip town. Here at Lurkin, Miss Thunder TV, drinking my coffee, and Son of Light is back. Welcome back, Son of Light. How much longer till church, Miss Thunder? Speaking of coffee, you should start a coffee company, Thunder Down Under. Not for another 4 hours. Wow, you get up early. In my household, it's get up just in time, just in enough time to get out the house and rush around and not enjoy your commute. Gotta wake up the kids, gotta get the breakfast. Gotta get everybody in the car. Gotta skate in during the first song.